Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with O'Higgins. He came in for a 4-month follow-up, and what we wanted to do was show off his 4-month follow-up on top, which is just beginning to grow. But most importantly, O'Higgins likes to shave his hair down to a level 0 or a half, and I wanted people to be able to see what our incisions actually look like. O'Higgins, is your incision site uncomfortable? Is it painful at all?
I don't even feel it.
And do you even notice it?
No.
So I'm going to go ahead and walk around and show off his incision site and slowly move the chair around. So as you'll see, his incision site starts there. And as we walk around, you see how minimal the incision site is. And this is what we take pride at here at Natural Transplants. And as you see on top, this is only 4 months, and you'll be able to see some of his before pictures. O'Higgins, for somebody interested in getting a hair transplant, the whole process so far at 4 months, what would you say?
Go right for it, man. Be happy. What can I say? It's an amazing experience.
And again, this has changed you considerably. You have a hairline again, and you're looking great.
Yeah,
So
I'm back.
look forward to seeing where things are in another 5 months from now, and another 8 months will be 1 year.
Yeah.
Keep the hair growing. You look great.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.